Hello, this is Buona from Buona.tv, and I want to show you a trick that I learned today using iTunes 7.4's ringtone feature. As you may or may not know, Steve Jobs announced on September 5th that you can purchase iTunes or ringtones for 99 cents on top of the 99 cents you pay for the song. The trick I'm about to show you allows you to do it for songs you already own absolutely free. Now, the issue with this is that it's probably not going to last long since it's such a easy workaround. I'm quite sure Steve Jobs and company are going to patch it real soon. But you can give it a try anyway. So, the trick is to convert whatever song you have, whether it be MP3 or AAC, into AAC format first. So the first thing you want to do is go into iTunes Preferences to Advanced, and make sure that your importing settings are set to AAC. Now this is if you have an MP3 file waiting. If you already have an AAC, you don't have to worry about that. So I have here a song called Quincy Jones and His Orchestra, Soul Bossa Nova, of which I've already sliced up 21 seconds of that I want to use as my ringtone. So, first thing I'm going to do is convert that into AAC. I'm going to right click on that and select Convert Selection to AAC. And I get a blue blue sound from iTunes. And I have a new entry here for 21 seconds. Now the next thing I'm going to do is right click on the file and do Show in Finder. And you'll notice that that particular file has a M4A extension. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that extension to M4R. Now on Windows this would be quite simple, you can just do it, but on Mac it's a little bit tricky. So to do it on Mac, what I'm going to do is first create a duplicate of the file by right clicking on it and do duplicate. Okay? Next is I'm going to hit Command I, or you can right click on the file and do Get Info. That opens a new window and it has a name and extension box. Rename the file here. So what I'm going to call this is Soul Bossa Nova. I'm going to take out this beginning part. And I'm going to put ringtone at the end. And I'm also going to change the extension to M4R. And when I hit enter, it's going to say, are you sure you want to change that extension to M4A from M4A to M4R? Yeah, we do. So now we have an appropriate M4R file for our ringtones. Now what I've done in iTunes, and I recommend you do this as well, is I've created a playlist called Ringtones, just so I can easily manage my ringtones. Now I'm going to add this newly created file to that playlist. Now when I go up to my iPhone, which is already docked, under Ringtones, I have a brand new entry called Quincy Jones and His Orchestra, Soul Bossa Nova. And I'm going to check that and apply. It's now syncing with my iPhone, and I now have my very own ringtone from that track that I selected into my iPhone. And this is absolutely free. I didn't pay anything. That song that I had I already owned in MP3 format. So now I have that particular ringtone on my iPhone for free. Didn't require iTuner, didn't require hacking my phone at all. Now again, Apple may patch this, they may close this up, but as you can see, it's a very simple workaround to a very common problem that people have. They want to add ringtones to their iPhone, and they can. So here's a way to do it. Alright, this is Buona from Buona.tv, adding ringtones to your iPhone. Hope you enjoy it, and enjoy your iPhone.